Allie here, co-founder of the Coach Marketing Boutique Agency, Capitalize on the Differentiator Rooted in You. So one night, many nights ago, Jamie and I were sitting in their kitchen, whiteboards covered in scribbles, coffee mugs everywhere, trying to name the program we'd poured our hearts into. We had ideas, plenty of them, smart ones, polished ones, but every coaching name we came up with felt off, like it almost worked, but didn't say what we needed it to. And the longer we went in circles, the more our confidence started to shrink. We knew the program had power, but none of the names reflected that, until one did. We said it out loud, and it was like someone flipped a switch. The name just fit. Suddenly, the messaging flowed. The pitch landed differently. And honestly, we were proud, because it wasn't just a name, it was a reflection. That's the thing about coaching names. They're not fluff. They're not afterthoughts. They're mirrors. They tell people what you stand for before you even say a word. So if you're stuck between clever but forgettable coaching names, you're not alone. You're not off track. You're just one aligned decision away from momentum. Drop it in the comments. What's the hardest part for you of naming your program? Or what coaching name almost made the cut but didn't quite land? The gap between great coaching and a great coaching business is real. So please grab the Hard Truth Coaching Guide and begin to close that gap. Or book a complimentary differentiator evaluation call. Sign up for both at the right or click the link nearby, depending upon where you're watching this. So we're ready to talk when you are. Allie signing out.